The Dixon zero turn is controlled by two levers that moves discs up and down. To adjust these discs, you have two adjustment screws, one in front and one in back. I'm starting with the one in back. I'm trying to get a good spacing between the disc and the comb. I'm checking that the disc is squared in front and back. Here I have some adjustment to do in the front, so I'm tightening the front torque axis. Then I go on to the next side and adjusting that disc. It's important to get the discs evenly matched so that when you move the levers forward, the mower is moving in a straight line. One of the levers moves the disc downwards when you're pushing forward. The other one lifts the disc. So this one is lifting the disc when you push it forward, and the other one is lowering the disc. This makes the machine go forward.